Hi friends, today we have a nice quadratic equation 3 into x square plus 1 over x square minus 20 into x plus 1 over x minus 94 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's start. Let x plus 1 over x is equal to y, right? So x plus 1 over x whole square will be equal to y square, right? X square plus 2 into x into 1 over x plus 1 over x square, expansion of this, is equal to y square, right? So cancel out. So x square plus 1 over x square will be equal to y square minus 2. Okay, as we have assumed x plus 1 over x is equal to y, right? So this is equal to y and this terms equal to y square minus 2, right? So this equation will change as 3 into x square plus 1 over x square y square minus 2 minus 20 this as y minus 94 is equal to 0. Okay, so 3y square minus 6 minus 20y minus 94 is equal to 0. So 3y square minus 20y, this and this, minus 100 is equal to 0. So 3y square minus 20y minus 30y plus 10y minus 100 is equal to 0. Okay, so 3y as common, so y minus 10 plus 10 as common, so y minus 10 is equal to 0. So we have factors y minus 10 into 3y plus 10 is equal to 0, right? Now we have two cases. Case first, y minus 10 is equal to 0 and 3y plus 10 is equal to 0, right? So y is equal to 10. Y, as we have assumed, is equal to x plus 1 over x is equal to 10, right? If we solve this, we get x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0, right? So x will be equal to 10 plus minus b square root of b square 100 minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 1, right, over 2a, a is as 1, right? So x will be equal to 5 plus minus square root of 24. Okay, If we go with the second case, 3y is equal to minus 10. So 3y, as we have assumed, x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 10, right? If we solve this, we get 3x square plus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0, right? So 3x square plus 10x plus 9x plus x plus 3 is equal to 0, right? So x plus 3 and 3x plus 1 will be the factor of this, is equal to 0. Again we have two cases. X plus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 1 by 3, right? So we have x is equal to 5 plus square root of 24 and 5 minus square root of 24, right? And this x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 1 by 3, right? Such a way